Unlock the secret to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management, keep your account safe, and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into LastPass.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Enhancing your security with LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortless online security. So as you can see, let's come back to the top. I will show you how you can get started. You click over here and you choose between business or personal. About the business, we have it designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to enterprises. So you click over here and you will find this page. Here we have start for your free 14 days trial of LastPass business. So you have just to write your full name, your work email, your phone, and you have your company name and job title also. Here we have organization size. You choose between 1 and 9, 10 and 99, and then you click over start my free 14-day trial. We have the second one, which is personal. You have a premium multi-device password management and sharing for one person. You click over try personal free and then you get started and you will find this page. Here we have one password, zero hitches. We have create an account. You write your email and your master password. Then you have your password minimum this requirements. First, we have strength meter at maximum, at least 12 characters long, at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, and we have at least one uppercase letter. We have at least one special character and not your email also. Then we have our device yearly use a randomly generated master password. So you have to confirm master password. So your password that you write here, you have to confirm it here. Then you write your reminder or your option. Then you click over sign up and it's free, absolutely. So once you do that, you will find this page. Here we have your account has been successfully created. Welcome to LastPass. You have just to install the browser extension, then log in using the account you have just created. Or you can also dive into lastpass.com and you sign up, or you sign in, I mean. Then we have here in the email, here in the Gmail, we have the email that we receive in the LastPass. So we have welcome to LastPass. Your digital life just got easier and more secure. Here are the login credentials to access your new account. So we have here LastPass never knows your master password. You have just to click over log into LastPass. Here we have tabs for getting started. Firstly, we have LastPass to your web browser. This lets you save and file passwords automatically. Then we have add passwords to Vault. LastPass to do remembering. Then we have the last one, which is try autofile on your favorite websites. LastPass fill in all your password. Once you click over here, you will find this page as you can see, and you have just to write your email address and your master password. Then you click over login and you will find this page. So here we have it. So after sign up LastPass, you have just to quickly boost your security by importing existing passwords from your web browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique passwords for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy autofiling. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your accounts safe. So here we have welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here passwords, payments, cards, drivers, license, and you save it, the vault stores it. We have the first one, which is add your first password. Every great LastPass journey begins with a single password. You click over it and you will find here LastPass. Have just to add each here. For example, we have password, secure, not, address, and payment card, and also bank account. For example, we have password here. You have just to write your ULM, your URL, and we have here the name of folder, the username, the site password. Then you write the notes here and you click over save. Then we have also the second one, which is import. But before, let's come back here and all the themes. About this one, we have also secure note. You have just write the name, the folder, and you write the note here and you click over save. Then we have also here the address also. You write the name here, the folder, and you write the title here, for example, Mr. or Misters. And then we have here the first name, the middle name, the last name, the username. You choose also the gender, and we have birthday here and company. Then you click over save. Then we have here payment card also. You have just write the name of folder also, the name of card, the type, the number, the security code, the start date, and we have also the expiration date and the notes I mean. Then we have the last one, which is bank account. About this one, you have to write the name also, the folder, the bank name, the account type, routing number, the account number, SWIFT code, IBAN number, the PIN, the branch address, the branch phone, and we have the notes. Then we have the second one, which is import your existing password. Save time, import your password from another service. Then we have add LastPass extension to your browser. This lets you save and then file password automatically. So for example, we have here the password here. So I will find it here if I add something. Then we have also the second one, which is secure note. We have here if you want to add, and you will find it here if you already add. Then we have also the third one, which is address. About the address, we have it here. You can find it here, or you can just add it here, as you can see. Then we have payment card also, and we have security dashboard here, and we have bank account firstly. Then we have other options like security dashboard, emergency access, account settings, and other things. So this is how it works with LastPass. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and auto-filing your passwords, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgotten login details. With its user-friendly features and strong encryptions, LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Also, we have here other options if you want to know more information about LastPass and how it works, like products, features, pricing, resources, partners, support also.